Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you PureVPN full review and how do you use it. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you're looking at PureVPN here, well, think of it as the ultimate budget-friendly workhorse of the VPN world. Now, it's super established service running a massive global network of over like 6,000 servers across 65 countries to completely mask your digital footprint with military-grade encryption. Now, the main reason it's so good is that it gives you premium performance without the premium price tag here, often costing just over like $2 a month, which is kind of cool. Now, in this case, it is an absolute beast at unblocking global streaming libraries and effortlessly unlocking regional Netflix, Max, and Hulu with zero buffering thanks to the fast modern WireGuard protocol here. So, how do you start using it? Well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to purevpn.com and you want to go and just visit their website. Now, in their website, you want to go ahead and click on the try option here. So you have the get PureVPN at the top, right? Just going to access or click on it. Should redirect you to the page here. Now, from here, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and just proceed with the checkout here. So they have the 2-year plan, 1-year plan, or the monthly plan here. So in this case, you could go and just use that, or you could go and just try them for now. And also, by the way, you may need to provide certain details about yourself. Like, for example, in the checkout page here, you need to provide your payment method. You can even use PayPal here if you want to, Google Pay, or whatever you want to use in here. But once you've added your payment method and proceed with checkout, typically they will allow you to download the .exe file. You need to run that and just basically install that PureVPN app inside your PC. Now, once you have installed the actual app here, it's now going to ask you to basically customize your experience. So you could either choose I want to stream, you want to unblock, or depending on what you want, so go and choose the appropriate one. Now, on the next page, once you do click on the next button, it will give you the option to basically choose your global map. Now, in this case, you can go and choose a country here, or server list. So if you click on global map, that will show you that, and you'll have the option to connect that to that specific country or server. So in this case, like for example, if certain content is blocked in your area and it's only available in Argentina, you can go and choose that one. And once you go back or once you click on dashboard, it now should ask you to provide certain details. So what do you need to unblock? What do you need to access? So you can go and select your purpose here, or you can go and select your location as well. Now, once you do select your location or your purpose, you can go and just click on the connect. Now, the great thing about selecting your purpose here, this one is really cool because you could just maybe like specify a specific app or a platform that you want to unblock. So you can go and choose that one. But once you do click the connect button here, that should start or initiate the connection process or your VPN. And that's about it. So if you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.